A very good morning to one and all present here. It gives me great delight in introducing our speaker, Dr. A. Sendil Kumar, Principal, Sanskriti School of Engineering, Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Sendil completed his BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from University of Madras, Chennai in 1996. He did his ME in Power Electronics and Devices in Bharathidasan University, Trichy in 2000. He did his MBA in Human Resource Management, TNOU, Chennai in 2006. He did his PhD in Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee in 2010. He did his postdoctoral fellow from Schwedt University of Technology, South Africa in 2013. He then did his senior postdoctoral fellow in VSB Technical University of Ostrava, Czech Republic in 2015. His professional experience: he has a total teaching and research experience of 20 years till date. He started his career as a lecturer in EEE in Aruna Engineering College, Thiruvannamalai from 96 to 97. He then worked as a graduate trainee in TNEB Thiruvannamalai from 97 to 98. From 98 to 2001, he worked as a lecturer in EEE in Aruna Engineering College, Thiruvannamalai. From 2001 to 2002, he worked as a lecturer in EEE in Velamal College of Engineering, Chennai. From 2002 to 2007, he worked as an assistant professor and head in EIE in Aruna Engineering College, Thiruvannamalai. From 2007 to 2010, he worked as a research associate in IIT Roorkee. In 2010, he worked as a professor in EEE in SKP Engineering College, Thiruvannamalai. From 2010 to 2017, he worked as a professor in EEE in Velamal College of Engineering, Chennai. Currently, he is working as a principal in Sanskriti School of Engineering, Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh. His guideship details: he has guided over 12 students in PhD. He has been a PhD examiner for Subject Expert for 2, and he has guided 50 BE projects and 10 ME projects. Some of his technical skill set: knowledge of FPGA and ASIC design flow, RTL test bench coding using HDLs, knowledge of static timing analysis, knowledge of DFT technology, knowledge of CMOS integrated circuit design, knowledge of layout development, knowledge of DRC LVS verification and parasitic extraction, knowledge of MATLAB. He has attended 35 international conferences, 11 national conferences, 7 FDP short-term courses, and 7 workshops and seminars. He has been invited over 34 lectures and chairmanships at national and international level conferences. He has published 71 research papers in international journals. He has published 4 books, and he has completed 5 research projects till date. Some of his awards and achievements: Best Lecturer Award in Aruna Engineering College, Best Faculty Award in Aruna Engineering College, Best Research Paper Award in IET Conference, Outstanding Research Award in Venus International Foundation, Shri P.K. Das Memorial Best Faculty Award Senior Category, Nehru Group of Institutions, and Best Young Researcher Award from South Indian ASDF Award SIAA. His areas of interest: multi-phase machines, power electronics, renewable energy regeneration source, microcontroller and VLSI application in power electronics and electric drives, active filter stability and system analysis. Some of his membership in technical societies: ISTE, IEI, IDES and ACEEE, IAENG Hong Kong, IAC ISIT Singapore, CSI India, IAEST, SIE and UACEEE. He has visited Hong Kong, South Africa, Mauritius and Czech Republic. Some of his other contributions during academic services: research coordinator, project coordinator, ISO coordinator, conference coordinator and recognized supervisor. On behalf of Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, we thank him for gracing us with our presence and wish him good luck for future endeavors. Thank you.